Crypto Truth. Yo, I woke up this morning. I looked at my crypto.com app and it was bleeding. Bleeding. Everything was down. Bitcoin's below 18,000. And I thought, what a beautiful day to see some blood. So I go on YouTube and I'm like, yo, what's some coins I could look at right now and get that discount price? So I ran across a YouTuber that I've been following. I like to follow a lot of the YouTubers, see what they're talking about. And there's one guy in particular named Crypto Gains. And he's always talking about 100x coins. And today he brought up one that I hadn't heard of. So I want to go ahead and do a little dissection of this coin live with you right here and see what this coin's all about. And it's called Landshare, people. Look, market cap is $360,000. Does it have 100x potential? Does it have 1,000x potential? Yes, it does. At 360,000, it's so risky. But the reward could be very high. I keep telling you guys this, and it's down 6.1%. So let's look into this some more. Max supply 10 million. Now that's very low supply, which can be very sketchy, which is very risky, which I don't really always agree with. So I would be very careful with this coin just because the supply is so low. I mean, the supply is less than Bitcoin. So you gotta think like, okay, this is very risky. But if it's something that, starts getting to that 10 million and you own, a couple thousand, a few thousand, and that thing really takes off, you're going to make a lot of money on this one. So I'm not calling it a scam. I'm just saying that when max supply is that low, you want to be kind of cautious into getting into projects. But this is not financial advice, so do whatever you want to do. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just telling you what I think about the coin, all right? And we're on max. So this thing went up above $10 and is now sitting at less than $1. So there you have at least a 10x right there. Okay? Closer to 20, honestly. Let's go down here and see the real all-time high. $12.19. So you're looking at, a 20x, close to a 20x. And it's been around for 12 months. So, this thing's been around. It's down 94.2%. Up 20.9% from its all-time low of 58 cents. And it's almost at its all-time low of 5 months ago. So it'll probably go back to there, looking at the market today, because the market is trending down, as you see the blood in the streets. And you know what they say, when the blood is in the streets, you boy. So that's probably what I'm going to do. I'm probably going to bow out of bloods in the streets. We're going to go to this website, all right? Landshare. All right, look at the beautiful building to the right, my people. Beautiful glass windows. Random orange and dark chocolates and cream flavored building. Invest in tokenized real estate assets directly on the Binance Smart Chain for as little as $50. So, if Binance is really invested in this, I love Binance. If you watch this channel, I love Binance. Me and Binance have a real deep relationship. I really love Binance. I really love me some BNB. Real estate meets DeFi. Own real-world properties directly on the blockchain through asset tokenization. Each asset token represents an ownership stake in a real estate asset. So you're basically staking real estate on the blockchain is what I'm understanding here. But I am no genius and I am no financial advisor. I'm just telling you the truth as I know it. So you can browse properties, make your investment, relax, and earn rental income. And that's the attractive part of this project is you can relax and earn rental income. Relax as Landshare handles the rest. Earn passive rental income sent directly to you each month. Invest without the stress of maintenance, tenants, or insurance. All that. Get rid of all that stress. We don't like that stress. I hate stress. I stress about stress. All right. So, it has the NFT ecosystem, the loan protocol, staking, utilize land token staking, liquidity farms, and BUSD vaults to earn additional rewards. Payments, the Landshare token is used as payment to make purchase on the Landshare platform. All land platform fees are burned and removed from the overall supply of the Landshare token. So I don't know how they can do that many burns with only 10 million tokens in the first place. Auto compounding automatically reinvests your rental payouts into more asset tokens, allowing you to grow your portfolio exponentially without ever lifting a finger. So you can auto compound. If you guys know the whole auto compounding, is basically where, instead of taking the profit for that month, they reinvest it right back in to the properties so your earnings are higher. Elevate your real estate investment with Landshare. A real estate investment of $10,000 in 1990 would be worth over $36,600 today. By utilizing Landshare's auto compounding technology, that same investment would be worth over $301,000 today. Crazy. So from a $10,000 investment, $301,000 today in about 30 years, which is the amount of the time you would pay a mortgage, 30 years. So you put in $10,000 instead of buying a house where you're going to put money in it every, month and do upgrades and, pay your mortgage and have this loan and pay all this interest. 10,000 into 301,000 with auto compounding. So, I mean, if this thing's legit, if it works out the way it says it does, you got yourself some legit stuff. All right, so here's the properties though. So they have properties, and that's what I was thinking about. Like, do they have properties? They do have properties. And now available, coming soon. Offering type estimated return on investment 9 to 17.4%. 7751 Mallard Drive. This one's in Montana, it looks like. Cap rate 7.67%. Annual return 18.2%. And if real estate takes a dip and then goes back up, excuse me, guys. So yeah, am I looking at the same ones? Yeah, so they don't have very many properties, but I mean, it shows invest now, so you can invest now. And once they start, if they get some more properties, this thing could be pretty dope. Review the financial information on properties, select your desired property to invest in, fund your investment. Yeah, if you're looking for rental properties, and this is something that could disconnect from the crypto market. So this could be its own entity, because as long as real estate is going good, it doesn't really matter what crypto is doing. With real estate, investors can enjoy predictable cash flow, excellent returns, year-on-year growth, and diversification. So, if this is legit, do some more research. I like to hear what you guys say, so leave in the comments what you think about it, if you've had any experience, if you're invested in any of this stuff, and, let me know. This is definitely a project I would look more into. I wouldn't just go all in. But yeah, it's at a pretty good low. So it's a good investing time if you are going to. I'm not telling you to invest in it, but if you were going to invest in it, Now would be a good time. 49.5 thousand followers, followed by ApeSwap, Berry Data, BNB Chain, and 2 others. Bringing real estate to the blockchain. BSC, the new tokenized asset sale is officially live. 18.20% estimated annual returns. So yeah, 119,000 loves, 55 retweets, 108 comments. House flips are rapidly gaining in popularity due to their profitability and short to medium term investment period. Our tokenized house flipping protocol enables you to invest in house flips without all the obstacles. View our upcoming house flip. So this would be kind of dope if they buy, fixer-uppers. Everyone can invest in the flipping of the house to increase the value and, get people to work on it. Who manages all this stuff? I have no clue. House flipping accounted for 10% of U.S. home sales in Q1 2022, the highest level since 2000. Looks like they're doing their research in the real estate market. So yeah, I mean, this seems pretty legit. Would I invest in it? Yeah, I mean, I'm not saying for sure I would, but what I will say is it seems like a pretty legit project. As far as the foundation of it, as far as the idea behind it, is this project the project that's gonna lead into, blockchain real estate? I don't know. Like I said, the 10 million supply, that kind of worries me just because it's so low. But if it could take off, it could take off, and I'd like to stay tuned on this project. So what I'll probably do is follow it on Twitter, stay active in looking at it, see if it starts buying more houses and having more properties available, and then kind of see what other people are saying, and basically go off of what other people have to say about investing in this project. So yeah, do your own research, guys. This was just a coin that came across to me on my YouTube channel following a guy named Crypto Gains, and he brought this up, so I wanted to take a look at it with my peoples, and there you have it. All right, you guys have a good one.